How to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically deactivate your Instagram account, deactivation is already a temporary process, so you don't have to worry about that. So you open up the Instagram application, come to the profile page, tap on the three lines option from the top right, then at the top you can see account center, tap on account center. From here, just go to the option called personal details and then tap on it. Under personal details, you can go to account ownership and control and then tap on it. Then just go to the option that says deactivation or deletion and then tap on it. From here, select your Instagram account as you did. Then just leave it at deactivate because deactivation is already going to get selected by default. Then you can tap on continue. Enter your Instagram account password, then tap on continue, and your Instagram account will get deactivated. Anytime you want to reactivate it, you can just try to log into your account. So until then, your Instagram account will remain deactivated. So that's all it takes to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.